Today I'm gonna show you a product that made me 40k, but it's one of the most saturated products in the USA. So basically this the product is a carpet that fits into all cars, and in USA it's very saturated. This has been run since like 2023. So basically in USA I would not recommend to run it. So basically the thing I did is that I ran it in my country. And the country where I run it only has a population of 6 million people, but I still made it work just because it converts so well. So basically the way I found this product is I had a mentor who had sent me like a list of the most converting products in Wall Organic, because I can just run them in here where I live. So all I would have to do is copy 101 viral videos from USA. And also the thing that got me thinking about running this product is basically like if I'm walking in here, like literally 50% of people have like older cars without CarPlay. So I just thought like the car my family has, like it doesn't have CarPlay neither. So when I saw this product, I saw it like this like crazy. So then that's also why I decided to run it. So I did the order, and it took 2 weeks to arrive, and then I started right away running it. And at first like it was pretty slow. It wasn't even going like viral. I mean, it took me 1 week to go viral, and at the start, like, it was making like 1 to 2 daily sales at the start. It just didn't convert like super well. It was doing like hook videos, store videos, and also it was doing like talking videos, but it was using the 11 Labs voice. And yeah, something for Europe countries that you have to do is use your own voice. That will convert like 3 times more. So that's what I'm doing right now. Like, I will never use 11 Labs voice, like when I'm running products to my country. Of course, like for USA, I'm gonna be using because it works better for those countries. But using your own voice, it will make like people trust you so much more and will convert so much better. So basically, after that, nearly every video I did like talking videos, like with my own voice. And of course, I did like store videos. Like those store videos, like they converted pretty well for me. Like maybe it was just because the product is so like converting. So store videos like went viral so easily, and they still convert pretty well. But yeah, and also I did hook videos. Hook videos, it's kind of like for some Europe countries, maybe it's not for all of them, but basically like normal dropshipping type of content, like normal hooks like babe stop buying shit, no, something like that, those type of hooks. Basically they don't really work in like, at least in the country where I'm living, so it's like even if I copy 1 by 1 videos, I still have to like kind of think like how can I make this video work in my country. Of course I like live in the country, so I can like pretty well like know if this is gonna work in my country or not gonna work. So yeah, then I went all in on the 11 Labs videos. I did like very organic talking videos, but I still had like the sound, text to speech. I tested it without sound, just like real-time talking videos, like going to the car, no sound, no text. Those just like they just didn't go viral, so it wasn't worth it. Of course, those convert like the best like TikTok shop type videos, but they just don't go viral, so it just wasn't worth it for me. So yeah, the main videos I did was like 11 Labs videos, but with my own voice. So basically, after recording on CapCut, I record the voiceover to it, or I like make the voiceover while I'm in the car recording. Both of them like work pretty well. So yeah, after I started doing those, it started converting so much better. Like I would say it converts around 20k per million, so very well. But of course, like the population is smaller, so it isn't like super crazy. So yeah, I did those type of videos, and basically my highest day with this product was a 3k day, and it was because I found a very high converting like video concept. It was basically like a comparison video where I compared like a phone holder and then the CarPlay, and that converted very well, and I have done it multiple times, and yeah, it prints very well. So basically I ran this product for 3 months. The first month I did 12k, then the next month I did 23k, and this month I'm at least gonna hit a 10k month. And of course like Q4 is gonna come, so it's gonna convert so much better. And one type of videos that usually don't do super well in USA were like slideshows. So basically, as you can see, like some of the most popular videos were slideshows, but slideshows, they didn't convert that super well. And the thing is also that you can kind of like post slideshows only on TikTok, and so it isn't like super worth it to make it, at least for me, because 80% of the revenue is coming from IG or Facebook. And basically nearly all of the videos that I did was this type of videos, so text to speech, then I used my own voice, and then I had a sound on it. This type of videos they did pretty well, like I always got like good views, and this converted super well. So basically yeah, these were the type of videos I did. Also one thing I tried is scale this to Sweden, because Sweden like is the neighbor country to where I live, and Sweden did not do well. Basically for content I had tried like a lot of different type of things, but basically I literally found like 4 type of videos that did the best. So basically my strategy was kind of like I will be doing nearly every day. I did like daily one video that worked, and then I like tried Nev stuff. It's basically like never the Nev type of videos worked. Like it's pretty rare to find like a Nev working video. So, and also the audience is pretty small. So right now I have kind of like used most of the concepts. So right now it's pretty hard to go viral with it. But right now I'm trying to like prime the IG account more. And one strategy I'm doing like right now is basically I'm posting 1 or 2 normal videos a day. For example, like the IG and every platform that I have like made myself or my creator. And then I always post like 1 repost video. So basically I just go and steal like another video, put the white text, and add it in Finnish. And that's what I'm doing. And those type of videos, they get like views sometimes, and they for sure like bring in some sales too. And yeah, that's one thing I'm doing. And I recommend you guys start doing it too. And as you guys know, Go4 is coming, so right now I'm looking for creators in Europe. So if you are in Europe and have experience like I'm taking beginners too, I have a form in the link that you can check. And you can sign up there, and I promise we are gonna start printing. I got the right strategies. I'll send you a product list where you can choose a product to run in your country, because this strategy like this is very good and I know how to do it. So if you're interested to start printing right now, doesn't matter if you're like a beginner or have experience, but I promise we are gonna start printing. I can guarantee that. So yeah, fill up the form below and I'll let you know more. Here is also the dashboard.